What's up guys, welcome to back new another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Facebook 2026. Okay, let's start it. First you open Facebook app. Now click your Facebook app. Now click your three dot icon. Scroll down now. Now click settings and privacy. Now click dark mode. Now your Facebook dark mode on. Now click your on. By doing your process, now you can Facebook dark mode on. By doing your process, thanks for watching my video and subscribe to my channel.